Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is the calm before the storm. You put so much work in. Now Spirit is saying, relax. Go with the flow. Be like air. Go with the flow. Like a calm breeze, not a tornado. Because everything before the waterfall of blessings, there's a calm. There's a calm. So you've done everything you can. Let Spirit do their job now. Sit back and be a co-creator and let them do their thing. And therefore, when the ball is sent back to your side of the court, you'll be ready. You'll be activated and you'll be well rested. I breathe, live, and grow within the light that's within me. I do one thing at a time and focus on the present moment. I cast off my doubts. All fear dissipates and find peace in my being. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.